In this video, I'll guide you through how to find a tired landlord list in PropWire. If you're looking for potential off-market opportunities, PropWire includes a built-in filter that lets you search for tired landlords. This type of list is commonly used by real estate investors who want to market to property owners that have held rental properties for a long period of time. The idea is that some long-term landlords may be more open to selling after managing their properties for many years. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to locate this list and refine it using PropWire search filters. To get started, log into your PropWire account and open the home screen. The first step is to select the area you want to search. You can enter a zip code, city, or county depending on the market you're targeting. After selecting your location, PropWire will display the total number of properties available within that area. Next, open the Lead Types filter and scroll until you find the Tired Landlords option. Select it, and PropWire will automatically update the results. This lead type is based on landlords who have owned their rental properties for more than 10 years, giving you a list of owners that fit this specific category. Once the list is loaded, you can begin narrowing it down. Open the Property Types filter and choose the type of property that best matches your investment strategy. For this example, select Single Family to focus only on single-family rental properties. Applying this filter will reduce the number of results and make the list more targeted. To refine the search even further, click on More Filters and open the Owner Filters section. If you prefer working directly with individual owners rather than companies or LLCs, choose Individual as the owner type. You can also limit the maximum number of properties owned to focus on smaller landlords instead of large-scale investors. If needed, you can continue narrowing the list using additional property filters such as bedrooms, bathrooms, lot size, or building size to better match your buying criteria. You can also return to More Filters and open the Financial Filters section to specify an estimated equity range that aligns with your investment strategy. Finally, if you want to focus on landlords who have recently attempted to sell their property, open the MLS filters and set the MLS status to Failed. This narrows the list to owners whose properties were previously listed but did not sell, creating a much more focused group of potential opportunities. By combining the Tired Landlords lead type with these additional filters, you can quickly build a highly targeted list that matches your investment goals and makes your marketing efforts more efficient.